Best passive income ideas that actually work. Most people love the idea of passive income. Making money while you sleep sounds amazing. But the truth is, most passive income ideas people talk about don't actually work. In this video, I'll share passive income ideas that actually work in real life, simple, honest, and realistic. No scams. No overnight promises. Just what truly works. What passive income really means. Let's clear this up first. Passive income does not mean doing nothing. It means putting in effort once, then earning from it again and again. Most people fail because they expect fast money. Passive income rewards patience and consistency. Now let's talk about ideas that actually work. Idea 1, content that earns over time. Creating content is one of the best passive income methods. This includes YouTube videos, blog posts, educational content. You do the work once, and that content can earn money for months or even years through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. One good piece of content can pay you again and again. Idea 2, digital products. Digital products are simple and powerful. Examples include ebooks, templates, checklists, online guides. You create it once. You sell it many times. There's no shipping, no storage, and very low cost to start. Idea 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means recommending products or tools you trust. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. This works best when you share honest reviews, help people solve problems, use platforms like YouTube or blogs. Trust is what makes this work long-term. Idea 4, automated online services. With automation and AI, some services can run with very little effort. Examples: scheduled content, automated client systems, simple AI-powered tasks. Once everything is set up, the system does most of the work. You manage it instead of working all the time. Idea 5, print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. You design the product. The platform prints and ships it. You earn money without holding inventory. The biggest mistake people make. Here's the honest truth. Passive income takes time. Most people quit too early because results are slow at the beginning. But slow growth is normal. The people who stay consistent are the ones who succeed. Final message. Passive income ideas do work. But only if you treat them seriously. Choose one idea. Stay focused. Give it time. That's how real passive income is built. Call to action. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more honest money content. Comment below. Backhand index pointing right, which passive income idea will you start first?